Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to find your USDT wallet address on Bybit. This is useful when you want to deposit USDT from another wallet or exchanges like Binance, Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. First you need to do is log into your Bybit account. At the bottom right corner, tap on Assets and then tap on Deposit. Tap on Deposit Crypto button. Now you will see a list of coins. In the search bar, search for USDT. Tap on it. Next, choose the right network, for example TRC20 if you are sending from Tron network or ERC20 from Ethereum. Always make sure the network matches the one you are withdrawing from, otherwise you could lose your funds permanently. Tap on TRC20. After selecting the network, you will see your USDT deposit address and a QR code. You can either copy the address or scan the QR code if you are using a mobile wallet. Tap copy to copy the address and that's it. That's your USDT wallet address on Bybit. Use it whenever you want to deposit from another wallet exchanges. If this helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials.